Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we discuss the latest in legal news, trends and issues in Singapore. Today we are diving into an important legislation aimed at tackling what's known as lawfare, which is the abuse of our court systems through frivolous or malicious applications. If you have ever wondered how the legal system combats these challenges, stay tuned. Just a couple of days ago, the Administration of Justice Protection Amendment Bill was debated in Parliament. The bill targets individuals who weaponize the court system for ulterior motives, such as filing baseless claims to oppress others or intentionally delaying proceedings. The Minister of State for Law, Mr. Murali Pillai, highlighted the growing prevalence of such lawfare both locally and internationally during the second reading of the bill. So what exactly is lawfare? In essence, it refers to the strategic misuse of legal systems to achieve goals beyond the resolution of legitimate disputes. Examples would include filing baseless lawsuits purely to harass or intimidate a party, or it could include delaying criminal proceedings through fictitious claims. It can also include persistently submitting unmeritorious applications to frustrate the judicial process. For example, in 2023, a man sued a woman for $3 million, alleging trauma and supposed damage to his reputation, and even demanded $22,000 for a supposed breach of an agreement to improve their relationship. The court struck out his suit, calling it manifestly groundless. This is a textbook case of lawfare, using the court to harass someone rather than resolving a real legal dispute. The proposed amendments clarify that such abuses amount to contempt of court. This means that individuals who engage in or encourage such behavior could face severe penalties. Depending on the court where the contempt occurs, penalties can range from fines of up to $20,000 in the state courts to $100,000 in the High Court or the Court of Appeal, with potential jail terms of up to 3 years. As a lawyer who practices civil litigation and I usually act for defendants, I've witnessed firsthand how cruel and devastating lawfare can be. Approximately 70% of the cases I handle include some element of lawfare. It's not just the defendants who suffer. Their families are often collateral damage, enduring constant stress, depression and anxiety over the next development or new developments in the case. The mental and emotional toll can be immense. Tackling lawfare is not just about protecting the legal system. It's about safeguarding the well-being of innocent individuals and their loved ones. As a matter of principle, I never act for plaintiffs unless their case is genuine. I also make it a point to discourage my clients from taking out unnecessary court applications if I sense that their intention is to frustrate the other party. Now, it's important to note that this isn't about discouraging genuine claims. Mr. Murali emphasized that lawyers and litigants acting in good faith with reasonable care will not be penalized. For instance, if a lawyer files an urgent application based on new evidence but later discovers the evidence was flawed, withdrawing the application protects them from liability under these amendments. Concerns were raised about whether these changes might discourage lawyers from taking on complex cases, particularly where there's uncertainty about the evidence. However, the government has reassured that the professional standards for lawyers remain unchanged. Those acting with integrity and diligence have nothing to fear. So why is this development so important? In my view, this strikes a necessary balance. On one hand, it ensures that our judicial resources are preserved for legitimate disputes, which protects the integrity of Singapore's legal system. On the other hand, it reassures good faith actors that they can continue to do their jobs without undue fear. In conclusion, the amendments to the Administration of Justice Protection Act are a timely response to a growing problem. They remind us all of our responsibility to safeguard the judicial process from abuse. What do you think about these measures? Will they be enough to deter lawfare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.